Skillshare review. Best online learning platform. So hello everyone, so in today's video I'll be doing a review right here for Skillshare. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, there will be a special link in the description below in where you can get special discounts right here if you're planning to buy some subscriptions right here for Skillshare. So yeah, without further ado, let us begin. So according to Trustpilot right here, Skillshare has a 3.3 star rating out of 5 stars, and then it has 2,580 reviews. So for the review summary right here, most reviewers were somewhat happy with their experience overall. However, consumers expressed concerns about subscription practices. Specifically, people mentioned unexpected auto-renewals and difficulties in canceling their subscriptions. A significant point of contention is the company's refund policy, which many consumers find inflexible, especially when they have not used the service for an extended period of time. Additionally, some reviewers report issues with customer service, describing it as unhelpful and bot-like. Consumers also highlight problems with the company's communication, particularly regarding renewal notifications, which they claim are either not received or sent too late. Some reviewers feel that the billing process is designed to take money without adequate warning, leading to frustrations and disputes. So this is pretty much for the review right here for Skillshare. And then moving on, let's start with the pricing. So for the pricing right here on Skillshare, it has one pricing right here, which is $13.99 a month. So that's pretty much the plan or the amount for the pricing right here in Skillshare. But again, if you want to get a special discount, make sure to click on the link in the description below to avail for special promos, special discounts, and even a free trial when you're going to sign up and use Skillshare. So that's pretty much it for the Skillshare review. So if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.